Today we're taking the train from Seattle to Vancouver, on our way to an Alaska cruise. We actually didn't plan to take this train. We were originally supposed to take 2 connecting flights to Vancouver from our home in Miami. Unfortunately, Miami had terrible weather that day, which delayed all the flights, so they rerouted us to Seattle instead. Unfortunately, they also lost our luggage in the process.
No underwear.
But that's a story for another day. Come join us for this beautiful journey on the scenic Amtrak Cascades route from Seattle to Vancouver. A trip that I highly recommend both for its convenience and its breathtaking views. Oh, and if you're new here, I'm Amalia. I'm a flight attendant and health coach. Subscribe to join me on all my travel adventures. We had an unexpected night in Seattle, so we stayed at the Residence Inn downtown in the Lake Union area, close to the Space Needle and also across the street from a gorgeous marina. Oh, and if you'd like a full Seattle itinerary, be sure to check out my Seattle video, where I take you around on 2 different Seattle layovers to some of my favorite spots. The hotel itself looked a bit dated, but it was clean, had a great location, and a very decent breakfast. And the front desk staff was excellent. We ate lunch the next day across the street at a lovely seafood restaurant called Duke's, as we prayed our lost luggage would arrive in time for our train. Luckily it did, and we rushed off to the train station. The Seattle train station on King Street is quite lovely. Originally built in 1904, the station fell into vast disrepair over the years until it was bought by the city of Seattle in 2008 from the Burlington Northern and Santa Fe Railroad for just $10. However, the process of restoring the station to its former glory was far more expensive, a cool $56 million. But the 5-year restoration was worth it, and today, the King Street station has been restored to its former elegance. We were pleasantly surprised at the comfortable seats on the train. The train also had a little cafe where you could buy drinks and light meals. I chose a local Seattle sparkling cider to sip while watching the views. We passed so much beauty on this 3.5-hour train ride. Stunning beaches, marinas, grand houses, forests, and sunsets. We arrived in Vancouver late at night, just in time to catch our Alaska cruise the next morning.
Made it to Vancouver. Feels like a miracle at this point.
Stay tuned for the next video where I take you aboard our magical 7-day Alaska cruise on Holland America's Koningsdam ship. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We have so much travel and wellness content coming your way.